going on, guys? Technokiller here, back with another episode of Left 4 Dead. We're going to be doing the campaign Dead Air this time, and I'm joined by White Moon, Christopher, Tundra West, or GurthQuake, which is Kenny, and Dmoney, which is Desi. And we'll catch you guys soon.
Ah, they're breaking the door down.
Oh shit, that's a lot.
Oh, Snapple. I was just fixing my controls, guys. What's going on?
Hey, yeah.
Oh, okay,
Yes, you got in the way.
that was the quickest horde ever.
Fire!
Dang it, I missed.
Core. Dang.
Oh, dang. I twisted my ankles.
Guys, I have a whole guitar.
So do I.
What do you mean?
Y'all are wildin'.
Look, I have a guitar.
No, you don't.
Christopher, should I
I'm
play
too-
Rock Band?
I don't see you with a guitar.
Wait, what do I look like right now?
Oh, hello. Thank you.
Guys, you pushed me.
Who did?
Do I help you?
No, can you please help me?
You're like hanging on to nothing, so like I don't know if I should help you. Oh,
Kenny! Kenny jumped off!
I just hear "Ah!" and then he's gone.
Yeah, yeah, okay. We all saw the same thing. Just check.
Your dead body's just down there. Kenny, there's a whole med kit. There's a whole med kit down there.
God dang it, Kenny.
Ooh,
Yes, but there's 100 less HP to heal. You know?
I guess. What an optimal play.
Yeah,
I got
then
a chemo assassin.
but then we got less, bullet spraying.
As you just go trigger happy on that one zombie.
There were like 4, thank you.
But you were only shooting at one.
No, you burned up my room.
Who lit me on fire?
The house.
Why is there a whole horde
that's
out
one
here?
big house.
Why am I separated from the group with a horde?
Because the horde is hitting me.
This is the best place to watch from. Seeing everybody's perspective. You know? So I tried being a parkour master and I kind of fell.
Wait.
Hey, look, it's Kenny.
Kenny, I see you.
Shoot the door down. Shoot the door down. Shoot
No!
the door down.
See? I'm fine.
Don't just open it, shoot it down.
It's not working.
Wait. Now shoot it down. I like how they just like sit in there. Don't know how to open the door. Help me! Help me!
Am I right? It's unlocked and everything.
Right? It's like y'all couldn't just turn a knob. Through here.
I heard a charger. Uh-oh, there it is.
I hate doors.
Who threw a
Look at
grenade?
all of them go.
No, you... How did that not trigger the alarm on the car? Kenny, don't trigger it this time, I swear to God. Aw, Desi,
Wait.
no!
Wait, I don't get it. I shot the car so many times. And
Guys, it's right there.
Desi shot it, and then it happened.
Because I'm the game's favorite.
Oh, no! Oh, I thought you guys left me. Christopher's still here.
Bye.
No! No! I don't want to be left alone!
What? Oh, I'm on fire. Oh my god, there's fire everywhere.
Run through it!
It's a cricket bat. It's a cricket bat, guys. It's a cricket bat.
Yeah, I get it.
Wait, who's not in here? Where's Desi?
What are
Oh!
you talking about?
Boom. I killed the most.
Look at me with the 6.
Kevin 30 kills.
I'm sorry, my guitar went blang, so I had to hear it some more.
It went twang. Ah, there's a zombie back there.
I have a what is it? A mod for the healing whenever you use a med kit.
Okay, so
It's
like,
the Pokemon Center.
look at this, guys. You open the door. Okay, the bar is holding it from like opening that way, but like it can open that way. What?
Why are you in the
Actually, it's holding it from opening both ways, Kevin.
Ow.
There's those pegs right there. See those
Excuse me,
pegs
ma'am.
in there?
We are having a conversation. You can chill out.
You down to get freaky?
So Kevin, come in here.
Let's go.
Right, so we close it.
Oh
There's
my!
a peg on the door.
In the freezer.
There's a peg on the door
In the
and the wall.
freezer.
Oh yeah. I
Hey,
see
wait,
that.
wait,
See
wait,
that?
wait. Does he do it again? Do it again. Kevin,
Oh
don't
hi!
walk in the freezer.
Oh hi! Oh
Kevin,
hi!
don't walk in the freezer.
What'd you say?
Don't walk in the freezer.
That's all right. I'm in the safe room. They can't get to you in there.
No, Kevin, actually come in the freezer. Like, I'm serious.
Shoot it, Kevin!
I am.
Kevin, shoot it!
Let me reload real quick.
Setter. This is our time.
Ah,
We weren't
why'd
doing
you
it,
close it on me?
freaky. Oh my, double team. Y'all.
I don't want to know what's going on in
Kevin,
there.
want to join us? Kevin,
No.
want to join us?
No, I
We
think
opened the door.
I think I'm gonna just keep fighting the zombie apocalypse.
You gotta get freaky somehow. You know, gotta have fun
Kevin,
in some
Come
way.
watch us get freaky. They all look this. He backed me into a corner. Oh no.
Yeah, you're forced into this.
I'm done.
Hey
I'm
zombies,
done.
free dinner.
Hunter. Oh, now the hunter wanna get freaky. Okay. Okay. Why'd y'all kill him like that? Hunter wanted to get freaky.
It's a charger!
Spinal tap.
Ooh.
Jockey.
No, there isn't.
Wait, is this the way we're supposed to go?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh look, a jockey. Someone. Ow! I'm being lit up.
Someone, ow, I'm being lit up.
Got a hunting rifle. Nice.
Nice.
Nicely
Nicely
sir.
played, sir.
Ah, there's so many here.
Kenny, how am I supposed to help you there?
Quit squirming, I gotcha.
Wait, I startled the witch. What the heck?
No!
Oh jeez!
No.
Ow!
Wait. Wait, why the witch just standing there?
Because it can't reach you.
Oh, now it's hitting me.
Kenny.
I thought that was the window to the stairs. I honestly thought that was the window to the stairs. I straight up hopped out the window.
Ow! I'm standing in acid.
Kevin.
What?
There's a hunter.
Ow!
I moved out of the way.
Let's continue, guys.
I honestly didn't know there was a witch there.
Kenny,
I hit a
stop.
What are
wall.
you doing?
I hit a wall. I'm trying to jump over the fence. Right there.
Just walk back through the window. Where are all these zombies that I'm hearing?
What's all this echo that I'm hearing?
What is this echo that you're hearing?
The
Oh, that's
ambient-
where all the zombies are. Hello.
I got you, bro.
Ow!
I got you. I got you. I got you. I got you.
Thank you, thank you.
Oh, that's a boomer.
Use the
I'm
lever
wasting
to
so
lower
much
the crane.
ammo.
Alright. Ma'am, I'm trying to walk here.
No, you're trying to run. No running in the halls.
No
I'm
running in the
running.
halls.
In the hall.
Yeah. Down. Oh no, he alerted the horde. No, Christopher! Ow, 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 ow. Why?
I said you got this.
No, don't push me out. I'll push you out.
Oh,
Is there a tank?
yeah, that's Tank. It's coming after Kenny.
No, Kenny, why would you bring it to us?
Oh, it's going after Desi now. Bye, Desi.
fine.
Desi, it's behind you. Desi, run.
There's
It's
zombies.
okay, I'm a pro gamer. It can't kill me.
Desi is about to punch you off the building.
Is it
It's
still
dead.
alive?
Yo,
Yeah.
I'm out of ammo.
Yeah, I'm pro gamer. No, 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 no.
Hello, the charger? What?
Okay,
Yeah,
this doesn't
spitter
work
asked
with
for
three of
you.
us here, okay?
Nope, I might not survive this one. Alright, crew.
I'm helping Desi. Give me a second. I gotta reload.
That's a hunter. Heal!
might be
Heal
the
the
end of
hunter!
it.
Heal the hunter! Heal him!
Goodbye,
Heal
crew.
him! Heal him!
You killed it. I think that's. Oop, that's a smoker.
No, the smoker's got me! Ah!
I
Ah!
know. I killed it.
Help me up! No, Kenny, stop! Help me up, please.
Here you go. And gun.
Oh, that was not good. I was at 4 HP and I was trying to heal myself and the hunter came up.
Hunter wanted to say,
Holy moly!
Why?
He
I
thought that
thought-
wasn't a. He thought that was just a drop, and then, like, to the next
Yeah.
building.
I didn't
Yeah, it
realize
is.
it was a
You're-
whole
you're-
hole.
Yeah, you're supposed to jump across. You see?
Kenny, if you mess up, I'm not saving you.
See? You gotta jump across. Just like that. See?
Oh, the lock key messed up.
I just fell off and died.
Uh-huh. I'm like actually out of ammo, y'all.
I know, me too.
Oh, who killed the receptionist lady?
I did.
no, no, guys, I went ahead by myself. I've made a mistake. I've made a mistake.
Was that a boomer?
Yeah, I was pretty old.
Explosive ammo.
Smoker!
Bells!
Wait, I got
Nah.
explosive ammo over here, guys.
Now, where's that witch?
I guess no one wants the explosive.
In the bathroom. I want
I'm
an
trying to
explosive
look
ammo.
for it.
Where is it at?
It's over here.
I got me some explosivo.
Oh, Kenny,
Kenny, how
are
are
you
you
serious?
dead? Kenny, you startled the witch.
Yeah, now it's dead.
You were all the way. What? You killed it. How?
I got a magnum.
A chemo assassin.
Yeah, Kenny, you've got a magnum condom.
Magnum dong.
I dropped my monster condom for my magnum dong.
I got pills here and a muzzle. Oh, jockey!
Howdy. Bling.
Hey guys, I'm at ground level. Guys, I'm at ground level.
How?
I took adrenaline.
You just run
Oh.
through.
Yeah.
So what you're saying is you took drugs.
Yeah.
Okay.
You heard it here first, guys. Drugs make you go fast.
So do them all the time.
Drugs make you go zoom.
I do not condone the usage of drugs.
Yes.
Just
Oh,
know
the
that
poor
first.
lady. Y'all, look at her. She's so sad.
Who?
This lady in here.
How'd you get down there?
Desi, I found your chainsaw.
Nani kore.
Wait,
Hey guys, it's a
Over
This-
here, Desi.
car with an alarm. Has the door open.
wait, Kevin, come to me.
In here.
Guys, this car
Chainsaw.
with the alarm has all of its doors open. Guys,
Oh, did you need help? I can't.
Yeah.
There's zombies on me.
You're fine.
this
I'm
is
just
fine.
reloading.
I'm coming, Kenny.
This
Whoa,
is
I got a
fine.
jockey on me.
Ah! Yeah, guitar takes out a whole army.
So is
Okay,
this
wait.
the-
No, Kenny, why?
It had all of its doors open.
Are we supposed to go in here?
Yes, go.
Help me, y'all. I'm way over here.
I'm gonna die.
It's okay.
Sorry.
I'm the first line of defense.
Desi, get in.
It's okay.
We're all here. Just
It's okay.
get
I
in,
got
guys.
this.
Guys, get in.
I'm gonna see a horde.
Because Christopher burnt it.
It's okay, they can't take me on. Not with a chainsaw.
Wait, I didn't want that.
Stop pushing me out of the...
Fuck. He can take me on. He can hurt.
Can we get inside now?
Who closed the door?
Kevin.
It wasn't me.
You're the only one looking at the door whenever it closed.
I wasn't looking at it when it closed. I heard Christopher say, "Who closed the door?" and I turned around.
I did most of the tank. Y'all are slacking.
Sure.
I think I was dead. Or like dying.
It wouldn't surprise me if you were dead, Kenny. You kind of just jumped off the roof. Hey, dude. Oh, you look gross. Sorry,
Oh,
lady. I
I-
accidentally killed you too.
It's mine. Guys, I got the good shotgun.
Combat shotgun?
No,
Auto shotgun?
no.
What is it?
Tactical shotgun.
Nice, nice.
I hear growling and I don't like it.
That's K.
Did you guys literally just do... You guys literally just did a full lap around. And I followed you.
Wait. Oh, I was supposed to go.
There's that growling I was hearing.
Oh, is that a tank?
Chainsaw, bitch. Oh shit.
Hey guys, I got the good shotgun.
We heard you.
This time it's combat. It's the combat shotgun. There's more, if you want it.
Nah. Destroy the barricade, though.
Desi's
Ow.
ready to fight. Oh god, why did you destroy the barricade already?
I didn't know to alert a horde.
Hey, Desi, your
Wait,
sniper's
how
over
did you
here.
get up there?
Did that charger just climb a ladder?
Oh my god, I got a katana.
Wait, I want it. Drop it.
Okay, I'll take my magnum. It just fell off the thing. Christopher, it's right there.
I can't grab it. Yes. It's a freaking Hone.
That charger just came from the top ropes and got you
Christopher,
guys.
right here. Christopher,
What?
right behind you.
I have it, Kenny.
I said I'm right behind you.
The
I
charger
saw
just came
what
from the
happened.
top ropes and got
By a
Kenny.
charger.
I saw what happened.
I was watching it from like far away. I just saw a charger and I'm like, oh, let me shoot this, and then it jumps down and charges Kenny.
It was
You
crazy.
pulled
Y'all-
a Connor. You
My
pulled a
freaking
Connor.
katana is a Hone edge.
Guys, we can go, you know.
We can go now?
No, we can't.
Yeah.
It's on
Oh,
fire.
I'm not going anywhere.
Wait, who's dying?
Yeah, I'm just gonna die.
I'm
Yeah.
coming.
I got a smoker, a
I'm
boomer.
coming.
Yeah, I'm just gonna die.
It's okay, I'm coming.
I'm still just dead. I'm still
It's
just
fine.
dead.
I'm here swinging my Hone edge.
I'm still,
got you,
yeah, I'm
Desi.
getting my ass whooped.
Desi, I'm here. I'm saving you. Get out of the spit, Desi.
Thank you.
Hunter.
Okay. I got a little broken leg. It's okay. Yep, that didn't work.
Desi jumped down. Y'all, we need to go through the barricade area.
Kenny, why did you throw Boomer Bile right at the entrance? Like literally blocking us off.
Wait, Desi, stop
Because
moving,
I was
stop moving,
trying.
stop moving. Desi,
I'm going in my room.
okay. Oh, in the bathroom?
Yeah,
Oh, this does not look right.
it looks
With all the
perfectly
pieces
fine.
of myself. I'm
It
just
looks
doing it up in the bathroom.
It's fine.
Kenny,
Oh
you're
my-
lagging
I
around
forget
everywhere.
who loved it.
Oh, there goes Kenny. He's robot now.
lagging. So
Kenny's gone robot.
Kenny the robot reindeer.
lagging.
He used to have very pretty toes,
Yeah, very
but
good.
if you ever saw them, you would even say they glow.
I don't think glowing toes is good.
I saved you, Kevin. I jumped in front of
I
you.
dodged
Oh,
it and it got
shit.
you. Oh no!
What the fuck?
How do I keep
Hey,
dodging
guys.
these guys and they get you guys instead? Okay, that time
Wait.
the Boomer got me.
What the heck? What the? Oh God! Again.
I'll protect you all. Kenny, why are you way over there?
He's lagging.
I'm lag.
Yep. You got
I
serious lag.
swear, I jumped up in there. I
Whoa.
jumped up in.
He's just
I'm
gliding
just-
across.
Guys,
Whoa, Kenny, you're
That-
flying.
What?
Kenny, you're literally flying around.
Oh my god, he really is. He is the Messiah.
You're floating. Wait, where did you guys go? Oh.
Where am I? No.
Hey
Are you
Desi, a new
dying?
chainsaw. Desi, there's a new
I'm
chainsaw.
vibrating, guys.
Oh my goodness.
Ew, I don't like your laughing robot.
I don't like it either.
Just follow the sound of my voice, Kenny. Just follow me. Oh, spitter goo.
I was on the other side of that goo.
Desi, there's a chainsaw.
Really?
Yeah, a new one.
Where? Where the chainsaw at? Where the chainsaw at though?
It's over here in the corner. I'll go to it. Who threw the Boomer Bile on the hunter that was dead? Christopher.
Save this for the next horde.
I still got. Don't shoot teammate.
Kenny's like, but I didn't even shoot a teammate. Oh! I saw my light flash before my eyes. Kenny, no! No!
Same.
I got you. I got y'all. Got it.
I hear a witch.
But I kill it with this motherfucking chainsaw, though. Where you at, bitch? You big baby bitch. Get up.
I hear it. It's close. Oh, Desi's literally just... He killed it! He was just sawing its head off. And then he wipes his nose with blood. What? No, Kenny! Why?
He threw the bile bomb right at the car.
Yeah, I guess it's time to go.
Yeah, let's go.
Oh, bye, Kevin.
Ah, don't leave me.
Wait, I'm lost.
What the heck?
This is really creepy. So the Honedge sword, it has an... and it blinks, and it's just right in my...
That's funny. Just keep running,
You're like-
Christopher.
You know,
Guys, it's still dark where I am.
Oh, I got stuck on a door. Wait, where are you guys? This way. Well, I'm in the safe room.
Oh, wait a minute, y'all.
For Christ's sake, people, get in here. Do you guys need some help?
No, no, no. You stay over there.
There's a Tyrogue.
Bye, guys. Bye, guys.
Desi,
Bye,
no.
guys.
Just don't. What the heck?
How are we supposed to kill him? Literally, how are we supposed to kill him?
Help me. Me. Shove me.
Oh, he's waiting for me.
Nothing.
He was
I'm
waiting.
stuck on a trash can. I can't get to
He was
you.
waiting.
I'm here. Kevin,
Alright, guys,
did you
let's
see
go to the
picture?
safe room.
And I just rubber banded.
Don't close the door yet.
Already closed.